Have you ever felt like your mind is full of ideas, but your English just won't come out? You understand, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. What if I told you you can change that in just 7 days? You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need expensive courses. You need one thing: courage. Start speaking even if it's broken. Because broken English is better than silence. Talk to yourself every day. Simple sentences, simple words, real progress. Stop translating. Start feeling the language. Listen, repeat, speak every single day. You may not be perfect in 1 week, but you will be fearless. And that is where fluency begins. Hello everyone. Welcome to new episode of Success Hub Academy. Today we discuss about 1-week tricks that you should follow to improve your English. Let's begin. I still remember when speaking English felt uncomfortable, like wearing something that never truly belonged to me. Inside, I had thoughts, emotions, and ideas I wanted to share. But when I tried to express them, my words would hesitate. Many people believe learning a language requires years of study, but the truth is simpler. Real change requires clear intention. 1 week will not make you perfect, but 1 week can make you stronger. It can reduce your fear and awaken your confidence. English is not just something you study, it is something you practice daily, and habits can change faster than we expect. The first lesson is this: stop waiting until you feel ready. There is no perfect moment to begin. Waiting only delays your progress. Start with something simple. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. In the morning, say a few easy sentences out loud. Say, "Today is a good day. I will try. I am learning." These train your voice, your ears, and your confidence. While doing daily activities, describe them. I am washing my face. The water feels cold. Growth often feels uncomfortable before it becomes natural. Fluency is not about using difficult words. It is about feeling relaxed while speaking. Children become fluent because they are not afraid. So make a promise. Speak, even when you're wrong. Every mistake moves you forward. Another important habit is listening with attention. Choose a short English video each day, just 5 to 10 minutes. First, listen without subtitles. Let your brain work. Then watch again with subtitles and notice what you understood. You'll realize you already know more than you think. Pick 1 or 2 sentences and repeat them out loud. Try to copy the speaker's tone and emotion, not just the words. One major breakthrough comes when you stop translating everything in your head. Translation slows you down. Connect words directly to meaning. When you hear happy, picture a smile, not a definition. This habit makes your thinking faster and more natural. Another powerful method is keeping a spoken diary. Every night, speak for just 2 minutes about your day. I woke up early. I felt tired. I worked hard. Simple sentences are enough. This connects English to your real life. Many learners understand English but struggle to speak because understanding is passive, but speaking is active. Practice it daily. Repetition is powerful. Choose sentences and repeat them. I am improving. I am not afraid. I can do this. Confidence comes before fluency. Stand straight. Speak slowly. Take pauses. Pauses are not a weakness, they show control. Reading out loud is another powerful habit. Take a short paragraph and read it aloud every day. You will notice mistakes and improve. Don't chase perfection. Focus on clarity. If people understand you, you are already successful. Also, change your environment. Your accent is not a problem. It shows that you are learning something new. The world rewards confident communicators. A person who never makes mistakes is someone who never speaks. You don't need hours of study. Even 30 minutes can transform your progress. After 1 week, you may not be fluent, but you will be braver. And courage is where fluency truly begins. You notice small wins. You understand a joke. You reply faster. You feel less afraid. These small moments are real progress. English is not difficult because of grammar. It is difficult because of fear of judgment. But improving English is freeing your voice. Speak slowly. There is no rush. Speed is not fluency. Calmness is. If you forget a word, describe it. If you don't remember umbrella, say the thing we use in rain. Communication is about connection, not perfection. Before sleeping, say one sentence of gratitude. I am grateful I tried today. A relaxed mind learns faster. Don't compare your journey with others. Everyone starts differently. Your path is yours. English belongs to anyone who uses it. Even if your English is broken, speak it anyway. Broken words are better than silent thoughts. Keep speaking, keep trying. Your voice deserves to be heard. And remember, real growth begins after this video ends. When you are alone, practicing quietly, don't apologize for trying. Effort is something to be proud of. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Measure your progress not by what you can't say, but by what you can say now. English will eventually feel like a friend. So keep going. Choose courage again and again. This is all we have today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.